Let's get started with editing this menu. We'll go to my drawable and we'll find the layout and we'll find the activity main, and in this section here you can see that we have something called nav header main, and nav header main is this green thing here, and I really don't think we need it, so we'll just delete it. Okay, now that is gone, we can go to activity main drawer under menu. Okay, so if we see here, the first one is import, and I want the first one to be home. So we'll go to our strings, string name home, and we'll create more. We'll create a profile. We'll create goal. Categories. And then food. So let's go to our design. Just change this title here. To home. And the next one was profile. And then we had goal. Categories. The last one is food. So we'll just change the ID also. So what we have done now is that we have changed the title and added the new items. We now need to go to main activity and we need to add these IDs into this source code. The method is called on navigation item select that. So we just add nav home, nav profile, nav goal, nav categories, and nav food. And then here there's a communicate, so we just delete it. Okay, now we need to change the icons. There is a website called Material Icons. Just Google it and we'll find different icons here. So for the home, I want a home. Just search for home, and here it is. I'll click it and then download the SVG file. Save it to my desktop. Then I go to Android SVG to vector drawable, and I'll just put the file there, and then I get a vector file. I copy it, go to my drawable folder, and I'll create an IC menu home.xml. I just paste the code into it, go back to my activity main drawer, and specify that I want this icon on this item. So next is the profile. So let's look for a user. Here is a face, so it can be a user. Download SVG. Go to this page, open SVG, and just copy the vector file. Go to drawable, create a file, IC menu user, paste the code, and use IC menu user here. Next is goal. So we could have some target or something. Can't find any goal icons. So I think maybe this one. We'll use this one for goal. Don't know SVG. Go to this page again. Get the source code. Drawable. See menu goal.xml. Copy the code and just use it as our icon. Then we have categories and then food. So food can be this basket. So let's just copy it. I see menu food. I see menu food here. And then we have categories. So I was thinking of like a folder or something. So let's use this subject. Okay, just take the file. I see categories XML. Let's use it here. Okay. Now we can run the app just to see the changes. And here we have it, home, profile, goal, categories and food. Looks really cool. Now we just need to define that something have to happen and click on them. And we're going to do this in the next episode.